How do you make a Rokoko account? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a Rokoko account so you can use their motion capture tools as well as their Blender plugin for retargeting motion capture animations. In order to make a Rokoko account, go to Rokoko. Once you're at Rokoko.com, go ahead and select the profile icon. You can continue with a Google account or you can sign up with email. Type in your email and then type in your password. After you type in the email and password you want to use to create a Rokoko account, click Next. It'll ask you to tell you about yourself. Then you can decide if you want to opt into emails and then accept the privacy policy of Rokoko. Select Create Account. You'll receive a verification code in your email. Once you have the verification code, type it in, then click Verify. Now you're able to sign into your Rokoko account. Go ahead and sign into your Rokoko account to test your password. Now you can create teams, use the free Mocap software, as well as download the Blender plugin. Hopefully this allows you to create a Rokoko.com account so you can get into motion capture. Happy motion capturing!